Hey guys, RTT back here for the video, guys. Today we have an unboxing of a PS5 controller. Now, I know this is weird, but my PS5 controller I normally use, for some reason, has been acting up a little bit. So I decided to buy another PS5 controller. It's around $62 on Amazon. I never did an unboxing of a PS5 controller, so let's go ahead and do one. Heighten your senses. Discover a deeper, highly immersed gaming experience that brings the action to line in the palm of your hands. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, let's go ahead and actually unbox this bad boy, though. Okay. I think it's gonna, yeah, I was gonna say just probably just like that. Should be. It would be pretty simple. Okay. Looks like I got a little bit more tape to get through. Let's see. Bam, that should be good. Bam. Now we are in the box, boys. I always think you should always have two controllers anyway. You know, just in case something happens with the first one. You never know, you know. You never know what's going to happen. Something could break. Something, goes wrong. Maybe you need two if you're hanging out with somebody. Oh my god, okay, hang on. There we go. It was ripped the whole top box getting that open. Alright, so inside the box, we do have, what could you guess, but the controller. And yes, it looks exactly the same as the other controller. I'm probably going to get a scuffed controller eventually with this, but with that in mind, that is actually it. I was kind of expecting batteries, but I just realized that this is a battery included. I just realized that mentally. I was like, wait, batteries? No, not batteries. All right, so you get a little manual book. Obviously, if you don't know how to use a controller, you probably shouldn't be playing a console at this point. So, with that in mind, guys, that's pretty much it. Just want to make a short video of me unboxing the controller. Overall, if you guys have not seen the PS5 controller, it is absolutely beautiful. Looks just absolutely gorgeous. Definitely 10 out of 10, I will say, for this controller. Absolutely amazing controller, guys. But tell me down below, which system do you play on? Do you play on PS5, Xbox, or PC? You guys already know we're rocking a 3090 and a bad boy PC over there. But I want to go ahead and get the PS5, Xbox Series X. Right now, my Xbox Series X is actually like an ornament in my room because I currently don't have a place for it because I'm not using it. I might sell it. I might end up selling the PS5. I mean, on the Xbox Series X, I simply just don't use it. I use my Scorpio edition, my Xbox Series X, or Xbox One X, more than I use my Series 5 edition. Guys, I'll see you guys next one. Peace out.